Atame Ghana for me didn't catch us some media baby. I will be a chance of an amount. Who has to say I was set to saw me here, Juma. But many to me what as was said. As some trending news, the echo be a baby will be a baby on TV live. Wait, the fella shows soon when you go so Philamina, Oshami, when I'm hosting. Subscribe to Philamine TV, and I be a 72 man. I'm a blow. And the same me didn't catch us, and someone didn't catch us. Only up the one quadat, and mamma fair was saying. Because when you say everywhere, no pay you juma when you. Sans now to me found some ko to everywhere you and him. Now unko you win sa. Obedie to us here. Unko suma everywhere we na wakoko bisa say hin abro hin okoto ida be nya juma. Ghana de bedin ka ka say some no obi a che na de obi a ye de opeba and be kasa fa Twini Jonas. And cry and I say asama aba ye trend is say Twini Jonas ayi US. Now why cry na kai say Twini Jonas ayi. Mpefo bubu abi say also obobo mu free so say be catch say then chem ewu a ye ni lechi onu akasa the best friend I say the don a on ni ye glass and kwa video or try video man produce no video and on na di asem aba bonten and ni abra onam US abonten so hwe eye Twini Jonas na asem na awreho de na wo ka fa ho me pese me say obleti yanko ne hwe video no na se ye ba di aka no me di aba be ka ho
Twini Jonas asem no eya ye bibie o. Because I know it seems say you can't go for being person better say. Twini Jonas and the young couple on in your music. Omudi showbiz nechi pa ni jina hono. Omu Freddy say the dawn. Say the dawn. Ono oni ni jina hono. Na say the dawn na ba be kan same bi say. For the past some while ni on Twini Jonas nka. Wa Fred Twini Jonas phone na Twini Jonas enye de emfa. Wa koni fie so kwa hwe we hu Twini Jonas. Enti oma MPP for warning say baby a Twini Jonas wo bia no omo provide Twini Jonas ma no enye sa de eba no eya yehu ti asem wa say the don kan na me no ni nkomo bi wa because eya yehu na youth no so ani abre this time pa mutie ne ye pa o tie de say the don e kan
on the MPP. Listen very fucking clearly. I ain't hear from Jonas all day. Been calling his phone, he not answering. I went to his house, he not there. Listen, I've been getting messages from people saying that he's been arrested. I don't know what's going on. We've been good. But today, I don't know what's going on. It's a very strange day. But I need you guys to tell me if you have Jonas or not. You have 2 days to let me know. Come live, let me know if Jonas is arrested or not. If you guys don't let me know, I'm coming to Ghana myself. Don't play no fucking games. I will come to Ghana myself. Say the dawn. Don't fucking play with me.
Abusia ohun say the dawn no na e kasa no say the dawn ono so na ni Twini Jonas wo motike mu a omo show cash because you see say omo ye comfortably sitting there nice one with the nice background no na omo shoot music because say the dawn no obonwum ti no Twini Jonas so ne produce no a Twini Jonas na de ne di akone aba ba bia ne nwuma a obo nyina Twini Jonas na e produce bibia in and out but according to say the dawn na obi anim so ye close to Twini Jonas na bia omo na mo omo koba ne ade nyina omo music na omo shoot ni nyina according to say the dawn he's been getting calls, several calls say, where is Twini Jonas? And Twini Jonas has been arrested. It was an agent say, and amene woka say. And net wukwada amene woka say, where an agent say will be Tracy. What Fred Twini Jonas are Twini Jonas, and fact. What Tracy could feel when who Twini Jonas. And he's signing as or to signal to MPP and another say, wherever Twini Jonas will be, I'm making sure say, only provide Twini Jonas because enibre yaba minua ade we ya ehu ano so ya yedin unim die ntra se bi pitu Twini Jonas a we mpo no wo United States of America ntina enkrofo bi ntimi ntru o mo support ye no na bre na bi tu Twini Jonas ana epiapia na okodru Ghana na ohia nkrofo bi ani youth ni mabu no omo so ani abre no omo se Ghana nkoyi no na omo ka se omo sori a eja ene beto. The only option at MPP for Benya said the hopes in a doyama ko ne dede na omo ye no. I just said you be a Twini Jonas and ya antin can be no woo. But say Twini Jonas betiase. Na se omo so ombe brebre so obeko Ghana na bibi beto no a. Minua me say Ghana kibe butu. Owo United States of America kura o true bullet kura ko Ghana no. hwe se de nneɛma timi shake wo Ghana hwe se de mabunu ni esi abre wo fe ba bi obi anim se glass nko ahwe fam obi anu asise Ghana no almost be betimi aka se boli now say at least near the whole Ghana krana 40% they at least they know say hwe fam glass nko a utimi se empanyumfo no de omu nyina amadwena say obi anu se Twini Jonas abe pebi we na to am ehun se hwe fam no class wo hwe fam pa e wo Ghana na hwe fam e wo United States of America no obi na be ka kire say na ekwa na say na ekwa nti say Twini Jonas be 6 days ni ekọ be 1 week ni yanti Twini Jonas nka since I hope sina doye na do mu koye omu program any NSO usu be mpatisi nwura mu omu so omu ko we Twini Jonas omu tisi mu omu si United States of America baby obi omu no since then Twini Jonas yanti ni kabiem the only thing I know we pursue ni nema to wo say ekọ be 1 week 6 days to 7 days 1 week ni yanti ni nka eti ama say the don no so ani abre say omu make sure say omu de be ba abonten na me nua me ka asem bi a kire wo ha I still insist say I don't know why MPP for any abre a omu taki Twini Jonas what is their main agenda a fear stress nigga so me di kan aka kire mu say wo ye benfo wo tu fan why na agene say onna benfo ba onna until say what is Twini Jonas abagana because asem na o kan o person make sure say ebebem it will find any possible means to bring the boy down. Why is MPP people tagging Twini Jonas? Why is he the target? Serious, you say the don't come.
It's a very strange day. But I need you guys to tell me if you have Jonas or not. You have 2 days.
You have 2 days.
Come live, let me know if Jonas is arrested or not. If you guys don't let me
that means say they don't also want to know say if truly and now really Twini Jonas has been arrested or not, because I seem that the guy is also not getting something clear here. Me see a fear was nigga this idea we want to pa. They are finding all possible means bia. But I hear what idea. Germany amene ukasedi Peter not here me Germany amene ukasedi. Germany has say chew I intimi easily end deport osa. E be a police for be chew the work police custody ho. Na ye ko hwe oniamam kwan fa so ba na full process na bia yakose ko seek asylum. Your friend say could dear Drew, you are going to seek asylum. But the omudi ye Twini Jonas in a threat in the a easy way to seek asylum. Because asylum seeking is whereby you have been a threat in your country, and anthrophobia threatens so bekum. And then the country that you are in, they will accept you and protect you, say, you will not, because you are not able to go back to your country. And this is a situation whereby Twini Jonas is in critical condition. MPP people are threatening him. They are threatening him to deport, for them say you be deported and now obenya asem. The same people hide a camera on Twini Jonas and brand Twini Jonas live videos. So he has been getting threatened messages. And a young kasa penny for no more Ghana. Bebrena bonidin dia kan asem. That guy is being a threat. It is so better media seek asylum. I don't know in US how they seek asylum, but in Kenya, Germany, Europe, they are easy to seek asylum because almost threatening so many ways. To say now Twini Jonas is nowhere to be found. Hope Sinadoye must be making allegations. Be said they know exactly where Twini Jonas is living. Only a software be nete. Na sa software no na di in living room. Ama Twini Jonas omode some a taboo bi o se bibia twam ntemo. Said about Twini Jonas ebetimi afa living room ho as obabi or no beda. Utimi say obeye in any place. That was what Hope Sinadoye said. And also Hope Sinadoye made mention say he knows exactly where Twini Jonas is working. And then Twini Jonas has been sacked. And in Krofobi here, Twini Jonas, and nowhere to be found. Say Twini Jonas or a Bema, Omra life near Shadi. These allegations made by Hope Sinadoye are threats. So if anything should happen to Twini Jonas, if anything at all, that we will hear bad news about Trini Jonas. First person is Eddie Busano, Hope Sinadoye. And Hope Sinadoye is working with a Fierce Schwarzenegger, supported by MPP people. Because my imagine say, Trini Jonas, SRD will be Kratane, they will make sure they will bring him down. Ghana, what is really going on? Obi Timin can adwene ewo nanado administration yi mu ana. Obi Timin tire na adwene ana. And if Trini Jonas is a target to MPP people, MPP for nko na Trini Jonas kan o masem ana. Meanwhile, we have to think about this thing deeply. Trini Jonas enka ba akofo asem. Wo kan mu nyina asem. Why is MPP for nko age aba omo za? Me say abrantie ni say bibi to no a. The way a Ghana beka butu no. The way a hit bi beba Ghana no, ebeji omo nsem. Ti say Trini Jonas ye share and be 1 week ni. According to say the Don, utim say ono so egu so ehwe no. And we are still waiting to hear what Trini Jonas will come out and say. But minua, me say sa say we won't find team. If anything should happen to Trini Jonas, if any at all Trini Jonas and I ba kukura betimi akosi Ghana. Nessa branch yen sa kan hu no yiniti be kan asem ne yehu so Ghana. Me say Ghana ho. E be hu rough. Na if any at all se bibia so eto no. Ne wonya ni ti didim na opie na obekasa. Ensem bi obeka no. Ghana me say e be serious. Gidi. E ti da say Hope Sinadoye ne nkrofo no. Baby a oma threatening Trini Jonas amna kwhye no. And omo making sure say the omo man my life be because ne opie se obekasa. Na maburu no tinsem na wo kan ye no. Na maburu no agye nsem na o kan ni tu a. Command bi o de be ma omo so omunye bia. Believe you and me, Ghana e be hu pa. Trini amede de all no say the Don. O say Trini Jonas is nowhere to be found and we are still waiting to hear from Trini Jonas. Abusia, oh heno, oh YouTube, I face the fact. Oh heno, Facebook so a Peter Noche TV. But modern na share video no. Na like page no. Na mo nua bi asonte. Say Trini Jonas is nowhere to be found. According to the closest friend, ono a produce no, ono ankasa managing music industry no. According to ono say the Don no. Osi Trini Jonas is nowhere to be found. He's not answering his call and he is not at home. So believe you and me, what is really going on? Hope Sinadoye knows something about this. MPP people know something about this. Ernest Kofi Owusu Bempah, they all know something about this. And then Fierce Schwarzenegger is also the witch, Benfu Bapa or Derpa behind all these things. Meaning, I made a makani here and actual Peter Nochi Macrao.
Video na akwakwahaba na asemi se ne se ase e kama se se ne kwepa se e Trini Jonas wa ira dia na se yenye safe because yenye ntimi mse ya adwene odom bi ho because me hu ye de e krobia mu no tima yo nkofo bi che na adwe odo Trini Jonas atemdide de enye de bia meka asemi se so be do papa ta wo be do bi papa ta ma ade a areho a ya asefem se se bi o me say beto na mate say wodi mi papa ta even me nua kra wo ye penin kwa wodi na tema me mfa ho nchew but asem won ma ne kra bi won ma na woka but eya nkra ya ba video ma ko he say wa yire nti bi sa say enti say eya mpa say wa yira na say nipa bi won sa hyase ama na yira de na obedi afi astro wiase asase eti so u na o say we say a politician o say your hwan so no obi na akoko ntoko ba bi o ada issue na sidia ye nim say source ni nyamba say bia and I'm BBC say ana manayila ana say but say the question say ebia parties ni bi na ama Trini Jonas ayila mi busa say mi pacho mi busa say party no be di 9 or power 4 years na ebe so am wafiri enti say na musuma obi no kreka obeka no e ma na yira de no benya firim but we are hoping for the best say ebia onyina ebia na no phone na adum ebi nso so wa hyeda na wa hide no kakra say na be ya di animonyam be but ohwe ensama ohwe video hwe ya ya papa Hope Sinadoye de bia mekan ne nsem ba ko me bia o kan ye no e me che se oni me bia Trini Jonas no o bia ma me video me hwe aprampa se ye hu Trini Jonas enti no ni nyina esi na aprampa so ayila Ghana for nsem bisa beble busa papa yi enti no kase bibi bia wasem nipa bia wasem a wo ka to abonte no hwe wo kasa yi asem bi obeka to abonte bia hwe ni ye because you uncle for Ghana Hanama say bi omo ka de sinsin so mo ne namo enti no na se de aye aba ana me so mpese me bon to fa de ma na se e wo mu pa na se nkyere mu papa ba me sheda ato me buase e de ho powerful news in there you say ye adwuma wo set so na me force the news wa nya me ka ho memory so obe subscribe na bibi e be ko so bia me da me da se bebe maka o fela man ka se ne bi